Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Neil and in today's video we're going to tackle another challenging SAT exam question. Let's get started. Before diving into solving the question, I'd like to give you a brief introduction to linear equations. Just imagine that this is a straight line, and as you may know, there are an infinite number of points on this straight line. Let's call this A or another one B. And you know that any point has two coordinates, x and y, xa and ya, and for point B we have xb and yb. When you want to find the slope of any line, for example, this line is called D, you can use the coordinates of these 2 points using this formula. Difference of y's over difference of x's. And then follow this formula, y minus ya equals to the slope times x minus xa. In fact, for writing an equation of any straight line, you just need a point, the coordinates of a point, and the slope of that. Okay, by knowing this information, you are be able to solve this question. So let's jump into that. Let's call these two lines D and D prime, and we need 2 points on line D. The first one can be here. Let's call this A, and another safe point is B. And for line D prime, we already have A, and another point can be here, C. And write the coordinates of point A, which is 8 and 0. Point B is 3 and 4. I just wanted to show you how you can find the coordinates. B is 3 and 4, and C is 3 and 2. For writing the slope of line D, you should use these 2 points, A and B, because they are involved and are located on D. Okay? Difference of y's, 4 minus 0 over 3 minus 8. 4 over negative 5, the slope of D. And for finding the slope of D prime, you need these 2 points, A and C. 2 minus 0 over 3 minus 8. So the answer is 2 over negative 5. And now we can write the equation of line D. Y minus ya equals to slope times x minus xa. Instead of a, you can use b. It's okay. Substitute 0 for ya and substitute a for xa, and you should simplify this equation. Y equals to 4 over negative 5 times x, because according to distributive law, you should multiply 4 over negative 5 by all terms inside the parentheses. If you cannot do this in your mind, you can write here times negative 8. 4 times 8 is 32 over 5, and negative times negative gives you positive. This is the equation of line D, but we just need to get rid of denominators 5. You can multiply by 5, 10, 15, but I prefer to multiply by 10. Negative 8x plus 64, and add positive 8x to both sides. 10y plus 8x equals to 64. This is the equation of line D. And now go for finding equation of line D prime. We need a slope that we already calculated and a point. Let's use point A. Y minus ya equals to a slope of d prime x minus xa. 0, 2 over negative 5, x minus 8. And then simplify this. The same story. Plus 16 over 5 and then multiply by 10. 10y is negative 4x plus 32 and add 4x to both sides to maintain the balance of the equation equals to 32. And this is the equation of line d prime. We just need to find these equations in our choices. 10y plus 4x is 32, which is here, line d prime, and 10y plus 8x is 64. It's here, but you just need to multiply all terms by negative 1. So the answer is choice D. Okay, see you in next video. Bye-bye.